Hey y'all, let me tell you, if you've never had pork chops like these, you're in for a real treat. Today, I'm fixing to show you my absolute favorite Southern smothered pork chops recipe. It's pure comfort on a plate, and honey, it's easier than you think. First things first, get yourself some thick bone-in pork chops. Not those thin ones, trust me, you want them juicy and tender. Pat them dry, then season real good with salt, black pepper, and a little paprika for some kick. Now, heat up a big ol' skillet. Cast iron if you got it. Add a splash of oil and brown them pork chops on both sides. Don't rush it. Let them get that gorgeous golden crust. When they're done, set them aside. They'll finish cooking in that gravy, don't you worry. Now for the magic. In that same skillet, toss in sliced onions and let them get soft and sweet. Add a sprinkle of flour and stir for a minute. You're making a roux, sugar. Gradually pour in some chicken broth and a splash of cream, stirring all the while till it's silky smooth. Slip those pork chops back in, nestle them down in that creamy onion gravy. Cover and let them simmer for about 20 minutes. Your kitchen's gonna smell like heaven. When they're done, serve them up with mashed potatoes or rice. Don't forget some green beans on the side. Every bite is tender, rich, and just full of Southern soul. All right, I hope you love this as much as my family does. Thank y'all for watching and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all next time. Happy cooking!